Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Added to this, no promotion shall be denied to a person merely on the ground of his disability, as is evident from subsection 2 of section 47. Stop. Section 47 contains a clear directive that the employer shall not dispense with or reduce in rank an employee who acquires a disability during the service. Stop. In construing a provision of a social beneficial enactment that to dealing with disabled persons intended to give them equal opportunities, protection of rights, and full participation, the view that advances the object of the act and serves its purpose must be preferred to the one which obstructs the object and paralyzes the purpose of the act. Stop. Language of section 47 is plain and certain, casting statutory obligation on the employer to protect an employee acquiring disability during service. Para. The appellant filed a writ petition before the Delhi High Court, which was dismissed as withdrawn by his advocate. Stop. The appellant had also preferred an application bearing OA number 2784 of 2008 before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, wherein he challenged the departmental proceedings. Stop. No reliefs were granted therein in favor of the appellant. Stop. In the SLP filed by the appellant before the Honorable Supreme Court, the Supreme Court, whilst analyzing the various provisions of the 1995 Act, more particularly Section 47, inter alia, held that there is prohibition imposed under Section 47 to dispense with or reduce in rank an employee who acquires a disability during his service. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court also held that even if it is presumed that the appellant had become insane as held by the enquiry officer, mental illness being one of the disabilities under section 2 within bracket 1 of the 1995 Act, under section 47, it was not open to the respondents to dispense with or reduce in rank the appellant who acquired a disability during his service. Stop. Since at the time of hearing the matter before the Honorable Supreme Court in the year 2013, the appellant was superannuated from service. The Honorable Supreme Court observed that there was no question of reinstatement of the appellant. Stop. However, the Honorable Supreme Court proceeded to set aside the order of compulsory retirement of the appellant dated 15th October 2007, passed by the respondent. The order dated 22nd December 2008, passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, in OA number 2784 of 2008, and the order dated 20th April 2010 passed by the High Court of Delhi. Over.